Good day. Welcome to How to Be an Unbiased and Impartial Judge During Someone's Preliminary Hearing, featuring Judge Mark D. Thomas from 36 West Antietam Street District Court. Well then, judges are supposed to be impartial and unbiased, and they're only supposed to go based on the evidence, right? Well, here is Judge Mark D. Thomas giving an example of how to go by only the evidence in a case for allegations pertaining to recording one's own phone calls. And the only allegation is recording phone calls, from my understanding. And this was the preliminary hearing of that case. And in his opinion, being unbiased and impartial means making broad generalizations that assume someone is doing something that's not even what they're charged with during their preliminary hearing, where no evidence has been given showing such, and where there's been testimony given by the defense. That's how Mark D. Thomas is impartial and unbiased. What am I talking about? Well, this is the statement he made. What was that statement?
He's got the thing on all the time.
No, I fucking don't, you fucking idiot. You're a moron, and you're gonna go down for that. And just like you fucked up this time, you were clearly angry. You were about to piss yourself out of anger. You were turning red the whole time. You were quiet at first, and then at some point you got angry. You were wrong, you fucked up, and you moved it forward again because you're a jackass. Mr. Unbiased, Impartial, Mr. Judge. This is why the government cannot be left to do this crap on their own, especially at the local level in a backwoods town full of dumb fuck idiots, where who sucks whose dick decides who goes where in the county, and who has the most money is more important than what's in somebody's head, what they know, where they've been, what their credentials are. Okay, he can read and he can articulate fairly well, but what the hell? I do not have any recording device on all the time. Now people think I record everywhere. He apparently said it too, and it wasn't even the charges in front of him. This is how you be unbiased and impartial with Judge Mark D. Thomas, 36 West Antietam Street, Hagerstown, Maryland. J. Lewis Boublitz District Courthouse. Mark D. Thomas. That was what he said in his own words. He has the darn thing on all the time. That is straight not true. It wasn't even what was presented to him, and he shouldn't be saying things like that based on his assumptions and then being a judge. He was wrong, and he's going to get proved wrong in the long run. And his behavior the other day, which that's not been heard yet, but his behavior the other day, that was just uncalled for. So that's the result of this. I've been respectful to Judge Thomas throughout this whole endeavor, but his behavior the other day, no. You know what? I'm tired of being respectful to somebody who is disrespectful to me, who will not listen to what the law says, who won't listen to anything but what he says and what everybody that listens to him and what they say. He won't take anything outside of what his beliefs say. That cognitive dissonance is what had him acting like that the other day, being faced with the possibility that all this time he was wrong. Yes, deal with it, Judge Thomas. You're not God. You're not perfect all the time. I'm not perfect all the time. In this case, I was right. You were wrong. It's okay. Get over it. But don't sit here and continue to act this way when I've been respectful, because I knew this from the get-go. I knew you made a comment, a false comment, an assumptive comment. I knew you did that, and I didn't say a word about it. I didn't make a video about it, and then you acted like that the other day. So now I'm going to start saying, and it's just the truth. I'm not making anything up. It's exactly what happened. So that's how you be impartial and unbiased with Judge Thomas. Thank you.